Did you know a writer in New York died mid-sentence, but his typewriter kept going? It happened in a small top-floor apartment overlooking the rain-soaked city. He was found slumped over his desk, fingers still resting on the keys. The paper in the carriage was half-filled, ribbon dry, the last word unfinished. His assistant covered him, turned off the lamp, and left the room in silence. But around 3:42 a.m., neighbors reported hearing faint clicking, steady, rhythmic. When the assistant returned at dawn, the typewriter sat there, still warm. A full page had appeared overnight, written in his exact style, line by line. The final sentence read, "He never left the room." And beneath it, his signature, written twice, one slightly darker than the other. The police found no mechanism, no movement, no explanation. The machine's ribbon was empty, yet fresh ink marked every word. It's still kept in storage downtown, covered, but sometimes still ticking. Would you dare to see it yourself?